Tell me that candidates can go door to door and they can drop their CV also, or just they should apply online. So what is acceptable method?
You can do that, and I know that some people have found great success, especially when they have a really short window of time. Maybe they're on a tourist visa for 30 or 60 days or 90 days, and so they really desperately need to find something as soon as possible. They feel the urgency, and so there is some gravitas towards going and knocking on doors to show your hunger, to show your tenacity. However, what I would say is probably the best way of being able to achieve what you want to achieve is to find an industry event in World Trade Center and go with several copies of your CV and meet business owners face to face. You'll find a better traction if you go to events as opposed to perhaps walking on a building which is what, 30 floors? 10 offices per floor, and you're going to systematically ask each and every one if they have a job opening for you. Your response rate is going to be quite low, and you'll probably find that only maybe less than 2% will say, oh yeah, sure, come in, I've actually got a job waiting for you. Come in and let's sit down and have a discussion. Most people don't have the time for that. So what I would say is definitely find out what your balance is, trial it. You should be beta testing anything at this time. And so definitely find some buildings that are in the area that you want to work in. There are lots of free zones here in the UAE. And so if I am advertising and marketing professional, I'm going to choose the internet or internet city or the media city as one of the areas that I want to work in. So then you'll find some buildings in there, and then you can go in that building and try and network. But what I think is more of value is for you to do your elevator pitch, your introduction and your networking, more so than, hi, my name's Dave, I've just knocked on your door, you've happened to open the door, and here's my CV, can you give me an interview? Hardly ever works.
You can watch more videos on my channel related to this. Thank you.